Welcome to our channel. Today we will be transported to one of the most luxurious hotels in Turkey, Titanic Mardan Palace, a real palace on the Mediterranean coast. This is the place where dreams of a royal holiday come true. Ready? Then let's go! Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it if you dream of being in such a hotel. This will help our project develop and share with you even more cool reviews. The hotel is located in Turkey, in the Lara region, just 15 minutes drive from Antalya International Airport. Excellent location, close to the city, but at the same time a sense of privacy and luxury. The rooms are spacious, decorated in a classic palace style, stucco, gold details, expensive fabrics. The bathroom is marble, a large bathtub and a separate shower, plus premium cosmetics and even a TV in the mirror. There are more than 10 restaurants on site, including Italian, Japanese, Ottoman cuisine, and of course, the main restaurant with a buffet, ultra all-inclusive meals. Everything is included, even premium drinks. The food is top-notch. For those who like to relax, the beach, pools, spa. For the active, water sports, fitness, animation, and evening shows. Every evening, a mini concert, live music, or theme parties. The main highlight is the architecture. The hotel is built in the style of the palaces of the Ottoman Empire. The central bridge over the pool is an exact copy of the Galata Bridge in Istanbul, and the inner courtyard resembles Dolmabahce. This is not just a vacation, it is a journey through time. As the Turkish proverb says, "Bir fincan kahvenin 40 yıl hatırı vardır." A cup of coffee is remembered for 40 years. In Turkey, hospitality and care are valued, and this is felt in every gesture of the staff. A huge pool area. The central pool is considered one of the largest in Europe. There is a separate children's pool, indoor pool, and even a pool with seawater. Bars, recreation areas, and jacuzzis are everywhere. Private sandy beach with imported white sand from Egypt. Spacious sun loungers, cabanas, tents, and service right by the water. The sea is crystal clear. The entrance is gentle, ideal for families. For children, this is a real paradise. A mini club, a water park with slides, children's animation, playrooms, and even a separate children's cafe with healthy food. The spa offers a hammam, saunas, massages, treatments with gold and seaweed. The fitness room is modern, with the latest generation exercise machines and personal trainers. A 10-day stay for two will cost approximately $6,500 to $9,500. Depending on the season and room category, excluding flights. Pros of the hotel: luxurious architecture and atmosphere, premium food, large territory, high level of service, excellent conditions for children. Cons of the hotel: high price, lots of tourists during peak season. In some places, the interiors feel glamorous, overloaded. Guests note the amazing service, attention to detail, and variety of food. They often write that this is the best hotel in their life. Cons: the price and the fact that it is difficult to leave. Too good. Book in advance and watch for promotions. It is better to choose spring or early autumn, fewer people and more comfortable weather. And do not forget to take nice clothes with you. You will be taking a lot of photos.